Hello, I'm Ishani Gupta, radio anchor, editor, translator, and public speaking coach. So today I'm here with another tip on public speaking. Today I'm going to talk about how to deal with stage fright or stage fear and how you can go and talk confidently in front of a room full of people. Now, if you're watching this live, comment below #live, and if you're watching this video as a replay, then comment below #replay. Now, what exactly is stage fright? So, let me give you one example. Suppose you have to deliver a talk or a presentation, but there is a fear, there is some kind of a panic that is lingering with you even during your preparation phase. So maybe you have to deliver a presentation or a talk after a week, after 10 days, after 7 days, after 2 or 3 days. But you have that fear, you have that panic going on, that anxiety going on inside you. You have butterflies in your stomach. And this fear, this panic is at its peak when you have to speak just before your presentation. Just before your presentation, you have that panic at its peak. Now, if you can relate to that, comment below. Yes, I can relate to that. Because it is very normal. What exactly happens is, when that panic, when that fear is at its peak, you can feel your throat going dry. You can feel sweaty palms. Your hands are very, very cold. And your legs are shaky. Your voice is shaky. And you have all those symptoms going on as a result of your fear. And why is that so? There is one biological reason for that. And not only you, not only me, but every single person speaking in front of the people have that kind of a fear, have those symptoms going on whenever they have to present, whenever they have to speak in front of a huge crowd. And that is because of a particular hormone. And in general language, we call that hormone the fight or flight hormone. And that prepares you to run or fight the situation. And that is why you have that kind of a fear going on inside of you. But when we are speaking in front of the people, we really don't need that kind of a fear. We don't need those hormones for us. So the solution is we have to stop the release of that hormone. Because that hormone is caused by the stress that we are going through. So we have to stop the stress. So we have to divert our thinking from negative thinking to some positive thinking. Why negative thinking? Because we have all kinds of thoughts going on in our heads. That what if we go wrong? What if we speak something wrong? What if the audience starts laughing at us? What if the audience starts mocking at us? We really don't want that. Instead, think of it like, what if the audience really likes us? What if they are there to gain something from us? They want a key takeaway from us. They want to learn something from us. So if you think of it like this, then of course, you are going to change the situation. So you have to change your thinking from something negative to something positive. And that will help you in not being fearful, but instead becoming excited. You will be excited to speak in front of the people. So, first of all, whenever you are about to go and speak in front of the people, you have to keep two things in mind. You have to be prepared for two things. First, keep water with you available at all times. You have to wet your throat just before speaking because we have dry throats just before speaking, right? We have dry throat because of nervousness. So you have to ensure that you have water, you are drinking water and keeping yourself hydrated at all times. Because when you are drinking water, you will help your body cool down. You will help yourself cool down. Then secondly, start taking deep breaths. Deep breathing is the thing that you have to do. Once you start breathing deeply, you will realize that you are able to calm yourself down. You will find that your heart rate, your heartbeat is calming down. So take deep breaths just before speaking. So these two things you have to keep in mind right before speaking. And finally, the third tip of the day is practice, practice, and practice. There is no other alternative to feel confident as a speaker. I always say that face your fears. Whatever it is, just face your fears. Do the thing you fear the most. So if you are scared of speaking in front of the people, you have to speak more and more to get over that fear and to become confident. You will find yourself getting very confident as you start speaking every single day, as you start practicing every single day. So the more you talk in front of the people, the more confident you become. So remember to practice at all times. Seek the opportunity to start speaking whenever you have that opportunity with you. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you remember these 3 tips that I have given you today and apply those, and I can assure you that you'll become a very confident speaker. You won't fear speaking in front of the people. So see you there. Bye-bye. See you next time.